Welcome, lovely viewers, to another exciting video. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're thrilled to have you here as we tackle Pikes Peak Writers Conference. The Pikes Peak Writers Conference started in 1993 and during each April brings the New York publishing industry to Colorado Springs, Colorado for a weekend packed with workshops, pitch meetings, read and critique sessions, and much more. Writer's Digest magazine voted Pikes Peak Writers Conference one of the top 10 writing conferences in the United States. Guest speakers have included Nora Roberts, Stephen Coonts, Diane Mott Davidson, Robert Crais, Jennifer Crusie, Rupert Holmes, David Morrell, Susan Elizabeth Phillips, Jim Butcher, and other authors and publishing professionals. Now, let's shift our attention to PPWC 2024. The conference will take place on April 2024 at the Doubletree by Hilton in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Keynotes include Kevin Eikenberry, Nancy Nagel, and Yasmin Ango. Over 25 faculty members, plus 8 editors and agents, will be presenting workshops, taking pitches, participating in read and critiques, and more. Registration starts Nov 1, 2023. Without wasting any more time, let's jump into the fascinating world of 2023. Theme: Wordstock 23, April 2023, featuring keynote speakers Robert Crais, Barbara O'Neill, and Dave Chesson. In this section, we'll be shedding light on 2022 and its impact on our understanding of the subject. Theme: GOAL. Set your goal. Meet your goal on April 29, May 1. 2022, featuring keynotes Mark Leslie Lefebvre, Jane Friedman, and Naima Simone. Let's now turn our gaze towards 2021 and explore the fascinating connections it has to offer. Theme: Bet on Yourself, April 2021, a virtual conference featuring keynote speakers Mary Robinette Cowell, Revis Wortham, and Laura DiSilverio. Without further ado, let's move on to the topic of 2020. Theme: Well, PPWC 2020 was cancelled due to COVID-19. In the next phase, we'll be immersing ourselves in the realm of 2019 and exploring its real-world applications. Theme: It Takes a Tribe, May 2019. Keynotes included Anne Bishop, John Gilstrap, Rachel Housel Hall, and Susan Wiggs. As we progress, let's shine a spotlight on 2018 and examine its intricate interplay within our topic. Theme: Do It, Don't Quit, April 2018. Keynotes included Laurel Kelvin Hamilton, Mary Robinette Cowell, Jonathan Mayberry, and Bob Mayer. With our foundation established, it's time to explore 2017 and its relevance to our overarching theme. Theme: Silver Jubilee, April 2017. Keynotes included Kevin Hearn, Tess Gerritsen, Dorinda Jones, and Donald Moss. In the following section, we'll be immersing ourselves in the captivating world of 2016. Theme: Dare to Dream, April 2016. Keynotes included Joe Alansale, Wendy Corsi-Staub, Rachel Kane, Jeff Lindsay, and Kevin J. Anderson. Get ready for an enlightening exploration as we dig into 2015 and understand its role in the broader context. Pikes Peak Writers held their 2015 between April 23 and April 26, 2015. The theme was Choose Your Writing Adventure. Keynote speakers included Mary Kay Andrews, Andrew Gross, Sinan McGuire, and R.L. Stein. In the upcoming section, we'll be dissecting 2014 and exploring its intricate connections to our topic. Pikes Peak Writers held their 2014 conference from April 2014. The theme was Right Here, Right Now. Make It Happen. Faculty members included Agatha Anthony McAvity and Emmy-winning author Hank Felipe Ryan, New York Times best-selling author Gail Carriger, Campbell Award nominee and Emmy Award writer Chuck Wendig, and Hugo Award-winning fantasy writer Jim Celsius Hines. As we progress through this video, let's shift our attention towards 2013 and uncover its hidden depths. The 2013 conference took place April 2013. The theme was Writing from the Ashes, Never Lose Sight of Your Dreams. Featured speakers included Libba Bray, Barry Eisler, Amber Benson, and David Liss. In addition, PPWC will have 10 editors and agents, including Michael Braff Del Rey Books, Melissa Miller Catherine Tijan Butch HarperCollins, Pat Vanley Bell Bridge Books, Deb Worksman Saucer Books, Hannah Bowman Lisa Dawson Associates, Sork Febenk Literary Representation, Barry Goldblatt Literary, Nicole Resinity The Seymour Agency, Kate Testament Literary, and Pam Van Hilcom of Lead Larson Pomada Literary Agents. In this segment, we'll be unraveling the complexities of 2012 and exploring its multifaceted nature. The 2012 Pikes Peak Writers Conference, celebrating 20 years of success, occurred on April 2012 at the Marriott, Colorado Springs. Featured speakers included Robert Crais, Donald Moss, Jeffrey Deaver, and Susan Wiggs. 11 agents and editors took appointments and gave critiques. Celebratory events included a special book signing, an awards gala banquet, and special gifts for attendees. Our focus now turns to 2011, an important aspect of our discussion. The 2011 Pikes Peak Writers Conference took place on April 29 May 1, 2011 at the Marriott, Colorado Springs. The theme was Blaze the Right Trail, with featured speakers John Hart, Linda Lael Miller, and Beth Kendrick. 10 agents and editors attended. Brace yourselves for the next chapter, where we'll be dissecting 2010. The 2010 Pikes Peak Writers Conference took place on April 2010 at the Marriott, Colorado Springs. The keynote speakers included Donald Moss, Kelly Armstrong, Jody Thomas, and Tim Dorsey. 11 agents and editors attended. In the upcoming section, we'll be shining a light on 2009. The 2009 Pikes Peak Writers Conference took place on April 2009 at the Marriott, Colorado Springs. The keynote speakers included Jeffrey Deaver, James North, Frey, Laura Resnick, and Barbara Samuel. 11 agents and editors attended. Get ready for an exciting part as we dive into 2008. The 2008 Pikes Peak Writers Conference was held April 2008 at the Marriott, Colorado Springs. Featured speakers included Geffen Award winner Carol Berg, NYT best-selling author Vicki Lewis Thompson, Edgar Award winner David Liss, and comic writer-artists Walter Simonson and Louise Simonson. As we transition, let's shed light on 2007 and its relevance to our ongoing exploration. The 2007 Pikes Peak Writers Conference was held April 2007 at the Marriott, Colorado Springs on Tech Center Drive, formerly known as the Wyndham Hotel. Featured speakers included Jim Butcher, author of the Dresden Files series, Robert Crais, author of the Elvis Cole books, Mary Jo Putney, a Saturday best-selling author of romance and fantasy, and Dr. Eric Meisel, renowned creativity coach. The conference celebrated its 15th year with several special events, including a Thursday night book signing, an additional track of workshops on Friday, a Saturday night awards banquet and 15th anniversary celebration, and a never-before Sunday-only auction for readers and fans of Robert Crais. Conferences were also held from 1993 to 2006. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from my channel.